Welcome to 4336 West Hackamore Drive, located in the highly sought-after Stetson Hills community in Phoenix, where space, flexibility, and thoughtful updates come together. You'll find distinct living, family, and formal dining rooms along with a spacious kitchen featuring granite counters, a tiled backsplash, stainless steel gas range, pantry, and a functional island with bar seating. A built-in bar area adds a great touch for entertaining. The owner's suite is conveniently located downstairs, creating a versatile layout for multi-generational living or added privacy. The owner's bath includes a tiled walk-in shower, garden tub, and a generous walk-in closet. Upstairs, a Jack and Jill bathroom connects two well-sized bedrooms, perfect for shared living. This 4-bedroom, 4-bath home offers over 3,200 square feet with a den that easily converts to a 5th bedroom and a large upstairs loft ideal for work, play, or relaxation. Step outside to a park-like backyard with a covered patio, built-in BBQ, gas fire pit, and an above-ground jacuzzi, all beautifully landscaped and ready to enjoy. With a 3-car garage, 8-foot RV gate, soft water loop, and move-in ready condition, this home delivers comfort, function, and everyday luxury in one of North Phoenix's most desirable neighborhoods.